and welcome to or welcome back to my channel if you're new here. Before I get started, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video and to see more videos of mine. Today we are going to be making a thick and glossy slime. It's a really easy recipe and it's great for beginners or people who just want to know how to make good, thick, and glossy slime. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to be needing is Elmer's glue all, not school glue, but glue all, as well as some clear glue. Lotion, any brand will work. Clean and clear essentials foaming facial wash, foaming hand soap, as well as some borax activator. A bowl and a mixing tool. I'm using a fork. As well as 1/3 of a cup measuring cup. And let's get started with the recipe. First add 2/3 of a cup of glue all into your bowl. Then add 1/3 of a cup of your clear glue into your bowl. And mix this all up until it's fully combined. Then go in with around 20 pumps of lotion, or around 1.5 tablespoons. This will make your slime really stretchy and glossy. And mix that in. Then go ahead and add 2 pumps of your foaming facial cleanser, as well as 2 pumps of foaming hand wash. And mix that all up. You may notice that your slime starts to activate if you use the Crazy Slimy Creations clear glue. Something with that reacts with the foaming facial cleanser and starts to activate it a little bit. So don't add more than 2 pumps or else you will overactivate your slime. Then add your borax activator and mix in until your slime is completely formed. You'll know it's forming as it pulls off the sides of the bowl. This will make around 8 ounces of slime, and make sure to store your slime in an airtight container. Let it sit overnight for maximum glossiness and thickness. This is what my slime looked like after letting it rest overnight. It is super thick, super clicky, and very glossy. You can add literally anything you want to this slime. I added some fake sprinkles to mine. Enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I post tutorials, slime reviews, and restocking videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please let me know down in the comments below and how your slime turned out. Comment what you added to your slime for a shout out in the next video. Thank you for watching!